Stop buying new SUVs. You are getting scammed. If you walk into a dealership today to buy a RAV4 or a CR-V, you are going to leave with a $45,000 debt for a 4-cylinder engine that sounds like a vacuum cleaner and a CVT transmission that feels like a rubber band. You are paying luxury prices for disposable appliances. But the smart money, they aren't playing that game. They are buying forever trucks. These are the 4 cheat code SUVs that offer more reliability, more luxury, and more power than a 2025 crossover for 20% of the price. Let's start with the tank. The 2000 to 2006 Chevy Tahoe. This comes from the golden era of General Motors, before they ruined everything with active fuel management and cylinder deactivation. Under the hood is the Vortec 5.3-liter V8. This is the cockroach of engines. It will run poorly longer than most new cars will run at all. You get a real truck frame, massive leather seats, and parts are available at every gas station in America. Mechanic warning. The engine is bulletproof, but the transmission is made of glass. The 4L60E transmission usually fails around 150,000 miles. If it hasn't been rebuilt yet, budget $2,000 to fix it. Once you do, you have a million-mile truck for under $8,000. This next car is the biggest secret on the used market, the Saab 97X. Most people see the Saab badge and run away because they think parts are impossible to find. But here's the secret. It's a lie. This is literally a Chevy Trailblazer SS in a Swedish tuxedo. It was built in Ohio by GM. It has the same V8 engine as the Corvette and the Trailblazer. But because it says Saab, nobody buys it. You get GM reliability for pennies. You can find these for $4,000. Mechanic warning. The rear air suspension bags always leak and the back end will sag. Don't fix the airbags, rip them out, and replace them with steel coil springs for $150. Problem solved forever. If you don't want a truck and you just want a car that will never die, you buy the 2010 to 2015 Lexus RX 350. Why buy a cloth seat RAV4 when you can have this? It is the most comfortable car ever made. It is dead quiet inside. It uses the 2GRF EV6 engine. This is Toyota's masterpiece. No turbochargers to blow up, no hybrid batteries to degrade, just pure smooth power. Mechanic warning. On the older models, the rubber oil line for the VVTi system can burst, and your engine will bleed out in seconds. Check if it has been replaced with the metal line. It's a cheap part. Once that is done, this car is immortal. Finally, the heavy hitter. Everyone wants a Toyota 4Runner, but 4Runners are overpriced. The smart money buys the first-gen Toyota Sequoia. It's bigger, more comfortable, and it comes standard with the legendary 4.7-liter V8, the same engine they put in the Land Cruiser that costs $80,000. You can find these Sequoias for $7,000 all day long. Mechanic warning, there is one major killer: rust. You must crawl underneath and hit the frame with a screwdriver. If it's solid, buy it immediately. If it's crunchy, walk away. The system wants you to be in debt for a car that depreciates like a rock. Don't do it. Buy assets, not liabilities. Subscribe for more financial hacks the dealerships don't want you to know.